so much for tuning into the video today. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and comment, and also press the bell for notifications. And also my fellow followers that has been here, thank you for tuning in and clicking on this video. So if you're here, that means you want to know about this company here. And this is a UNice wig that I will be installing today and doing an unboxing as well. I will go ahead and leave the specs of the unit also in the description box, but I will go ahead and make sure I bring it up as well on my iPad. This wig is from UNice, like I said before. It is an ombre highlight straight T closure, well, Tpart closure. It is human hair, it's Brazilian, and it has honey blonde brown highlights, and it also has the silk fake base scalp. So this will be a first for me to try, so hopefully you guys like it, and then I can let you guys know how it is, if it's beneficial, because then you don't have to do all the steps to bleach your knots. So it says pre-plucked as well with baby hairs for middle, for the middle part, and it's supposed to be 150 density, and it's a 16 inch. I'll pull up a picture here. Let's get into the hair. It says on the box, and on the back it just gives you instructions on the right way to measure a wig, how to comb the wig, how to wash the wig, and and it just has the steps underneath there. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get into it. I'll open the box here. I've already kind of looked at it and stuff, but I haven't done anything to it, so it's just fresh out of the box. As you can see here, that's how it looks. It comes in this long bag here, and I got they did give like two things. This is for like the cap to make it tighter in the back. Open up the bag with the hair is in it, and let me show you guys what it looks like. Sorry, I'm having a hard time right here. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is how it comes with the cap and everything on it, and also has, this paper inside. How everybody does it, just to protect the hair. So I'm loving the color of the hair. So this is her right here. She's pretty though. Here's the middle. See, here's the fake cap, so I won't be going into the combs here, and a comb at the bottom. And here is where you can tighten it in the back and make it work so it can fit on your head. This is gonna be something new to try out, because this is my first time ever using and getting a fake scalp closure. So I won't be bleaching any knots, okay? So it's a middle part closure, so you really can't go in and customize or go in and change the parting of it. So it's gonna be middle part, rocking it out. I'm sure you can move over the wig to get it to look a different way, but she's very soft. I have not got any shedding with the hair at all. As you can see, there's nothing in my hand. So she's a beauty. I can't wait to go ahead and put her on and let y'all see how well this goes. So we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna style it for you guys as well and put it on my head and all that good stuff. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see how this beautiful will look on me. Okay, ladies, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. I've already tightened it here in the middle just to get it a little snug. So I'll have to try to reach back there and get it. Alright, so I'm putting in my combs. Comb in the bottom side. See that? And I'm putting my third comb into here. And see how that is. It's just a closure, so it's not like a full lace.
girl, she bad, pretty in the face, slim, thick waist, hair is laid. Said a girl on Tinder, went to IG and like all up her chest. Damn, she like money moves. Let's cash out. She really wanna know what I do. She wants to know, she has to know. I let her know. I chop in a bando. Gas on my neck, on my wrist on froze. Island girl, cook me the dough. 419, got the plug on the phone. I get her what she want. Prada store, Fendi store, Gucci store. I get her what she want. Prada store, Fendi store.
Okay, so I said I would come back to do some baby hairs just to see what it looked like with baby hairs. Okay, we'll do this all at one time. So I've already taken some pictures and stuff like that to do a before and after with the baby hairs and without baby hairs, even though I'm loving this without baby hair look. But I do gotta go through a thorough video. Okay, this is without baby hairs. But we're gonna go ahead and go in and take a little bit. Alright, so this one side. I'm gonna go in. I'm no pro when it comes to baby hair, so let me just tell y'all that from jump. I just do a little bit on the sides. Alright, so I'm gonna go out with my stick. Use the hair on it. Just keep my flowers away. Alright, so go in a downward way, and I'll eventually probably cut some more. But like I said, guys, I am no. So, boom, my little brush thing. Guys, so I'm gonna keep messing around with it so I like it. Excuse the size, y'all, but that's the tracks that's showing. That's still on there. Alright, so here it is with baby hairs. Do y'all like baby hairs or no baby hairs? Y'all can get down with the fake scalp, and it's already done. You guys don't have to go in to bleach the knots, you know. So I had to go in a little bit just to make sure, like, you know, everything blends in and look realistic. But you only can do so much. And I didn't want to go and put too much on my scalp because I just don't want to mess it up because I love this wig. So this might be my new favorite. But no shedding, still soft, tended to flat iron, all that. You guys seen the process, and I am amazed. Let me know what you think about a fake scalp. So I'm fully done, guys. I like it with the baby hair. The baby hairs make my forehead not look too big, so I think I like the baby hairs more. To UNice Hair from Amazon. Thank you for reaching out and wanting to work with me, and I hope I did this look justice. So thank you so much, and I will leave all the information in the description box Like I said before, like, subscribe, comment, and leave the click the bell for notifications when the next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Boss Beauty channel. Have a good night, my beauties.